it's fair to say there were audible gasps in the newsroom when the joint press release from An Garda Síochána and the UAE police landed in our inboxes without any warning.
Yeah, I suppose it's like a traditional day in the newsroom, like a late Friday evening. People are ready to go home and it's massive story breaks. But yeah, so our crime correspondent Ken Foy had actually called me maybe 15 minutes before and had heard, I'm not sure if this is true, but there's talk of Daniel Kinahan being arrested, and there was like, oh my God. And then he was trying to get it confirmed, and then the statement came true. They didn't name him, but there was a tweet from the Dubai police saying DJK, which is obviously Daniel Joseph Kinahan, and then we got it confirmed that it was Daniel Kinahan. It was said in the statement that they arrested a man in his late 40s who was believed to have been heavily involved in a transnational crime gang. So based on what they charged Sean McGovern with, we believe that, you know, it's probably something around directing criminal activities. He's obviously, as you said, seen as the head of the crime gang. We've also reported previously how he is suspected of a possible role in the murder of Eddie Hutch. Eddie Hutch was the brother of Jerry Hutch, and he was murdered just days after the Regency bloodbath, of which Daniel Kinahan was the target. So we don't have the specifics yet, but it's definitely in relation to directing criminal organisation and feud related activity as well.
How big of a rupture is the idea that Daniel Kinahan is now in police custody?
Well, I suppose it's always been said that, you know, Christie Senior, you know, had essentially retired, and Daniel was leading the operations in terms of the drug trafficking and drug dealing, and Christie Junior was more in charge of the money laundering side of the operation. But I suppose, you know, and technically he is the head of the Kinahan cartel. He's the boss, and he's the guy that has been linked to, you know, managing the feud in relation to, you know, the Hutch Kinahan feud that claimed so many lives. So in that sense, you know, he is the head. But I guess in more recent years, with the amount of arrests, the amount of Kinahan cartel members that have gone into prison, the amount of murders, you know, they're not operating in the same way. So even though it is obviously a blow in terms of, you know, it's one more step to the Kinahan cartel being effectively dismantled in terms of their current leadership. I think, you know, it's probably not as surprising to them because, you know, this talk that they've been targeting the senior members has been going on for several years now, since those sanctions were announced. So I suppose they may have expected this day to come, and you know, Christie Senior and Christie Junior are technically wanted as well. So I suppose, you know, I think it seems like it's more about keeping their head down in recent times than, you know, being essentially, you know, more worried about their freedom perhaps. So we'll see, I suppose, what comes of it.